Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use stickers and memes in Microsoft Teams. This is a fun way to make your team conversations more engaging and expressive, adding personality to your workplace communication. Let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in with the correct credentials so you can access all your teams and channels. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Teams interface with several options on the left sidebar. On the left side of your screen, click on Teams. This will display all the teams and channels you're a part of, giving you access to your workspace conversations. From here, you'll be able to choose where you want to add some visual flair to your messages. Now, locate a channel where you want to use stickers and memes and click it. This could be any channel within your Teams, whether it's a project discussion, casual chat, or team announcements. Choosing the right channel ensures your stickers and memes are shared in the appropriate context. Once you're in the channel, find a post where you'd like to respond and click Reply in Thread. This opens up the message composition field where you can type your response and add visual elements to make it more interesting. On the left side of the message field, you'll see an emoji icon. Click it to reveal a range of expressive options you can add to your messages. This icon is your gateway to stickers, emojis, and memes that can enhance your communication. Then click Stickers from the options that appear. This opens up the sticker library where you can browse through various sticker categories and themes. You'll see a wide selection designed to suit different moods and responses. Now you can click a sticker or use the search function to find a specific one that fits your message. Once you've selected your sticker, you can input a message alongside it and send it. This combines text with visual expression, making your reply more memorable and fun. Now let's use a meme to take things up a notch. Click the emoji icon again and select Stickers from the menu. This brings you back to the visual content options. Then click Meme from the available choices. This feature allows you to create custom memes directly within Teams, giving you creative control over your message. Select a meme template and click it. Teams offers several popular meme formats that you can personalize with your own text, making them relevant to your team's inside jokes or current projects. Now you can input a top caption and bottom caption for your meme. This is where you add your custom text to match the context of your conversation, or create something humorous that resonates with your team. Once you've added your captions, click Done. This finalizes your meme creation and prepares it for sending. Your customized meme is now ready to be shared with your team, and now you can send it. Your meme will appear in the thread, adding a lighthearted touch to the conversation, and potentially sparking more engagement from your teammates. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use both stickers and memes in Microsoft Teams to make your workplace communication more dynamic and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.